Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Fontana Limited has advised that the company has signed an agreement to acquire the Monarch chain of pharmacies from Gurk Limited, potentially expanding its store footprint to 11 locations across Jamaica. The company anticipates the closing of this transaction during the third quarter, January to March 2025, with operational changes and integration into the existing Fontana network throughout the balance of 2025. The Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, formally launched its green bond market yesterday at the JSE's 20th Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston. Companies can now access funding from this new securities platform for green and sustainable development projects. The platform, which has been in the making for the last 4 years, was developed by the JSE in partnership with the Inter-American Development Bank and the United Nations Development Program. If you have visited the Hilo location near you, there is a juice bar ready to serve. Thea's Smoothies has been a staple for 18 years across 7 locations in Hilo. We speak to Thea McFarlane about her desire to invest in a small business. So we're here with Thea McPherson, who has made her name with juices, smoothies, healthy food. And we're here to ask a very, very simple question. Thea, why did you invest? 18 years ago, you had a vision. Why did you invest?
Okay, this is where it's possible to create your passion into a career. Okay. And this allows you to be successful, to be creative.
Yes.
It's about leaving a legacy. Leaving a legacy that impacts the community.
Yes.
It impacts your customers.
Yes.
It impacts your employees. And Jamaica is the best place for me to invest. I was living away, I was living abroad. I decided to come back to Jamaica, and it is one of the best decisions that I've made.
Wow. So what would you say to someone who is sort of maybe struggling with their business and, you know, they just need some encouragement, some motivation? What would you say?
What I would say is be persistent, dedicated, deliberate in your action. Hard work, you will see the benefit, you will see the success. Once you enjoy what you're doing, first of all, you have to know that this is what you really want to do. And once you identify that, always push forward. It doesn't matter the obstacles, they will come. You find the solution and you go through. You will be successful.
Thank you so much, Thea McPherson, entrepreneur in the wellness industry and investor in her dream. For 18 years. Wow. Thank you so much. For the trading period ending January 23, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited shares with 1,502,537 units traded represented 15.20% of the market sales volume. Financial conglomerate JMMB Group Limited 9.5% preference shares with 1,285,855 units traded represented 13.01% of market sales volume. Stationery and Office Supplies Limited with 1,053,081 units traded accounting for 10.65% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 23, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $66.95 million was purchased and US $53.68 million was sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.07 per dollar, selling the US at $157.61 and buying the US at $156.54. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.73 per transaction, selling at $110.68 and buying at $107.95. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.36 in profits, with selling at $194.24 and buying at $186.88. For our credit report tip of the day, starting your own business after facing unemployment and debt may seem overwhelming. But with the right steps, you can establish strong business credit and set yourself up for success. Here's a roadmap to help you get started. Reinvest profits wisely. Show financial stability by reinvesting profits into your business instead of relying solely on credit. Stay patient and persistent. Building business credit takes time, but consistency and smart financial practices pay off.